How to delete a Google business profile permanently. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to delete Google business profile is quite simple, but keep in mind, once deleted, you cannot recover the reviews, photos, posts or any other data linked to that business. So first of all, head over to your Google business profile manager. Once you tap on it, log in with the Google account that manages your business. If you manage multiple businesses, select the one that you want to delete, tap on the three dots and go to Business Profile Settings. After that, tap on the third option for Remove Business Profile. Here are three options. Tap on the third one, which is Remove Profile Contents and Managers. This way, you can permanently remove all the contents added by anyone. Keep in mind that Mark Your Business as permanently closed should be toggled on. You can also download the contents, which is an export of copy for backup, or use it with the service outside of Google. Once that is done, tap on the Continue button to go to next page. After that, you'll have to tap on Remove and confirm the deletion once. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.